Good morning children, welcome to the e-class of DePaul School Baripada. Children, after the puja vacation, this is the first class for you. Today I am going to teach class 6 students English grammar. Lesson number 8, which is in your second unit test course. So from lesson number 8 onwards, I am going to teach you for your next exam second unit test. This is the lesson articles. So we will read about articles in this video. This lesson I have made 2 to 3 parts. This is the first part of the lesson. So children, my request to you, please listen it attentively. Then only you can understand about the topic article. So let's begin the lesson. Article are of 3 types: A and the. A and N are said to be indefinite article and the is said to be definite articles. Like a magician, the magician. A magician can be any magician, but the magician is the definite, that magician we are talking about. So that's why the is used for a noun which is definite in the sentence. Like a gardener and a cook were traveling on a train. Here gardener G is consonant, cook C is consonant. That's why A we have used, and gardener also singular, cook also singular. So remember this one. A and N are generally used for singular noun. So both the case cook and gardener are singular. That's why A, G and C, gardener G, cook C are consonant. That's why you have to use A. But second sentence, when you are writing that gardener and cook in that second sentence, which relates to the first one, in that case you will not use the A, you will use the there. The gardener said hello to the cook. Here we are talking about that same gardener and the same cook which we have talked in the first sentence. That means you are repeating that noun. When we repeat a noun 2 times in 2 sentences simultaneously, in that case A or N can change into the. First case it will be A if it is consonant. So here gardener and cook are consonants, A we have used. But when same gardener and cook we are using in the second sentence, means you are giving emphasis to that particular cook and that gardener. Means definite we are talking about that gardener and cook which we have talked about in the first sentence. That's why we are using the there. The indefinite article A and N are used only before singular countable noun. The definite article the can occur before both singular plural countable noun as well as before uncountable nouns. A and N are generally used for definite countable nouns. A we use for noun which we can count, like a biscuit, a ball, an owl, an orange. These are all noun which we can count. But the is generally used before countable as well as uncountable nouns. You can see the nuts, the egg, it is written. Here the milk also you can write, but nuts and egg are countable. Nuts is singular, the is used. Eggs are plural, the is used. Means the is used for singular as well as plural countable nouns. As well as when we use for an uncountable noun like milk, the is used there. And ice also uncountable because we cannot count ice. So the milk in the fridge has turned sour. Will somebody remove the ice on the road? Here milk and ice are both uncountable nouns. In that case you have to use the there. The indefinite articles, choice between A and N. A and N are actually one article in 2 forms. They have the same grammatical nature and function. use A, the word that follow begins with a consonant sound, so means A is used before the word which begins with consonant sound. Consonant, you know children, 26 letters are there in English alphabet. Out of those 26, 5 are vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and rest of the 21 letters are consonants. From that 21, P, T, N and S, C and L. P, picture, tasty, desert, T, needles, N, small s, colorful kites, C, large bottle of milk, large L. These are all consonants. That's why for all these nouns A is used. A picture, A tasty dessert, A needle, a small ice cube, a colorful kite, a large bottle of milk. So A is used when the word begins with consonant. We generally use A before them. Use N when the word that follow begins with vowel sound. Now N is used before that singular noun only, but here the word begins with a vowel letter like O, I, E. These are three here given. O, octopus, I, intelligent student, E, early morning flight, I, internet enabled television, and I here instantly baked cake. All these octopus, intelligent, early, internet or instantly begins with O, I and E. These are all vowels. Among 5 vowels, these 3 vowels are there. So these vowels always begins with the word which begins with vowel sound or vowel letter have N before them. Not that vowel and consonant are sound, not letter. So we have, you can see some words, unit. U is a vowel. U is a vowel. Then also we have written a unit here. Why? It is because U pronouns word don't have N before them. University student, U. European city, here also pronounce U. Here you can see U pronouns word, European city, A, European city, A unit, university student. These 3 words begins with vowel. Then also we have used I before them to show that only vowel letters don't have N before them. The sound of the word also matters a lot to put a article. U pronouns word generally don't have N before them. You have to use A. And hour is not a, H is not a vowel. Then also we have used N before them because word hour pronounced with O. O is a vowel. O pronouns word generally have N before them, and our O pronouns word have N. H is silent here. Our O you are pronouncing. So in that case we have to use N. And MLA student, so MS student, and NOC, and L-shaped garden. So these for MA, NOC and L-shaped, this N is used because for their pronunciation we are using. So some of the words, even though they have consonant, we use N before them. Even though they have vowels, we use A before them only because of their pronunciation. Now exercise A, write A or N correctly in the blanks. None of us wants to be an engineer. Engineer E is vowel, that's why N engineer. Rancho is dash baby. Rancho is A baby, baby B is consonant, so you have to use A there. How much does a new car cost? N is a consonant. Before consonant we use A, so A new car cost. Yesterday we saw a very interesting episode of Kid Wizard on TV. The V is consonant, A is used before them. Italian is a European language. U pronounce word, E-U-R-O-P-E-N, U pronounce word, European. When we pronounce U, as I told you, that case we have to use A, because U pronounce word don't have N before them. Even though European begins with E, we have to use A because of its pronunciation. Traveling 2 kilometers in the heavy traffic took us a full hour. Here F is consonant, A is used, a full hour. Captain of the ship was an 18 years old boy. E is vowel, 18 years E is vowel. So N is used before vowel, and 18 years old boy. Puducherry is Des Union Territory. U pronounce word don't have vowel, so A Union Territory. They want a young actor to play the king's role. Here young Y is a consonant, you have to use A. Going to the North Pole is Des extremely difficult task. Extremely E vowel, so N extremely difficult task. E is a vowel, that case you have to use N before it. Underline the correct use of the indefinite article and circle the incorrect use, then rewrite the sentence correctly. Here we can see if incorrect, here it is saying under the correct use of the indefinite article. Where it is correct use, you will underline. Incorrect means you have to mark it circle. First one, an adult man came to our store to ask for a thermometer. An is correct because old O is vowel, before that N is used, it is correct. Second one, a red light will blink when the when there is an electricity in the circuit. Means here electricity E is there, vowel, that's why N it is used. But N red light, electricity we cannot write because electricity is incountable. In that case we have to write N. Without N it will be a red light will blink when there is electricity in the circuit. Don't use N there. N is wrong, that's why it is marked circle. Third one, is a laptop heavier than a dictionary? Both case it is correct. A laptop, a dictionary, that's why they are underlined. Fourth one, please ask for an extra scoop of ice cream. Here E is extra, E is vowel. In that case A will not use, you have to use N. Please ask for an extra scoop of ice cream. Fifth one, I am going to the town to buy a furniture for my room. So here furniture is uncountable, you don't use any A or N before them. Answer will be incorrect, circle. Correct answer will be I am going to the town to buy furniture for my room, not a furniture or the furniture. Next one, sixth one, when the ship sank, Gulliver clung to a log of a wood. Here wood we don't use any A because these are uncountable. When the ship sank, Gulliver clung to a log of wood, not a log of a wood, because A is used before countable noun and wood is uncountable noun. That's case we don't use A there. Now seventh one, Anita bought a bottle of tomato sauce, a sugar, a kitchen knife, a energy drink and an box of ice cream. All these A or N I have circled, they are wrong. They are not used correctly. Now I will write the correct form of those articles. Anita bought a bottle of tomato sauce, because a bottle means one bottle. Sugar cannot be counted, uncountable. Sugar we cannot count. That's why before them no a sugar or n sugar, only sugar. A kitchen knife, one kitchen knife, and energy is E is vowel. In that case, don't use a. In that case, you have to use n. Next, an energy drink and a box of ice cream. One box of ice cream. Box is B, consonant. So before consonant we don't use n box of ice cream. It will be correct form will be a box of ice cream. Now 8th one, Saroj opened the lock with a knife. Both case they are correct. The lock and a knife. So they are underlined. 9th one, a chimpanzee is not as tall as an human being. A chimpanzee we don't use. We are talking about chimpanzee, a particular animal. That's why the chimpanzee is not as tall as a human being. Human being H is consonant. A human being H is consonant. You don't use N before H because human is consonant H. So you have to use A. So its answer will be chimpanzee. The chimpanzee is not a tall animal as a human being. Last one, Raghuram is an actor and an writer. Raghuram is an actor. It is correct. Actor A is vowel. Before it you have to use N. Writer W is consonant. Before that you will not use any vowel. You have to use A, consonant. Raghuram is an actor and a writer. So now I have told you how to use the correct form of the article in this sentence. So this is the end of first part of the lesson 8 article. So I am sure children you got some idea about a and the and how they are used before consonant, vowel and before a definite noun. In the rest part of the lesson I will teach you in the second video. Thank you children for watching. Bye bye.